All right, so one central question I do want to have you think to yourself is, why do we even eat? Why eat nutrients like nutrients you might find in the zone bar? And what would happen if you did not eat? So I will say you are really eating for two major reasons. One reason that people remember is to produce energy. So produce energy. And remember, we're going to take those nutrients and they will be harvested for protons and electrons. And those protons and electrons will be used to help catalyze the synthesis of ATP. So it's not necessarily that glucose that we're eating is going to be transformed into ATP. So here is your molecule of glucose. Here is a molecule of ATP. So one thing with that energy production, I'll put this on the very bottom, is ATP is produced as a consequence of a reversible reaction. So how that happens is ADP plus the inorganic phosphate plus the magical energy cloud is going to be bound together to produce ATP. And this is a reversible reaction. So whenever ATP is used, then it's broken down into ADP plus PI, and energy will be released. So there is a lot of ADP and PI already running around in your cells. What needs to happen, though, is this energy has to be around to bond those two together. That is a synthesis, anabolic, endergonic reaction, and it will require energy. Where is this energy coming from? This energy is the energy that you'll find in your nutrients. So we don't necessarily eat our protein bars and find the ATP as an ingredient, but here would be your ATP molecule, and this is when it is fully bound. You will have 3 phosphates on ATP. When that ATP is used, it will be cleaved, so that phosphate removal plus your ADP will result in some energy release. But what I do want to point out is this glucose can be a nutrient that we do find in our food that we are eating. The glucose is not going to be transformed into this ATP molecule. It's just the hydrogens are going to be harvested from glucose, and those protons and electrons will be the magical energy that gives rise to allowing ADP and PI to be bonded together to form ATP. All right, second reason that you eat is to produce building blocks. So to produce building blocks. And those building blocks might just be any of the monomers. So you might have to have amino acids, saccharides, fatty acids, nucleotides. It's possible that your cells do need these actual building blocks to form structures that the cell needs. So it's whatever the cell needs at that moment in time. Does it require more energy, or is it really in need of building blocks? In our bodies, what if we have enough energy and we still eat? Then we don't need any ATP, and we may not need any more building blocks. So our bodies have that capability of putting any excess to be stored as fat in our bodies. But bacteria don't do that. So they are not going to be absorbing any more energy if they don't need it. So they will only eat nutrients when they need to produce building blocks. Otherwise, they will not be eating in excess.